Hello there. So we're just catching up on our project, our class project in Newcastle, and I've got James and Kerry with me. So Kerry, how's the week been from your point of view?
Well, I haven't really been back over there because we're waiting to make sure all the asbestos has gone.
Yeah, that's a good point, making sure that the clearance certificate's provided before you step inside the building.
Yeah.
And so that, I've just spoken to the demolition contractor and that's on its way.
Oh, okay. So it is all clear of asbestos then? Yep.
Yeah. And so the next thing is that the builder is scheduled to start this week. He's still waiting on steel, but I'll be checking in on him shortly just to see how that's progressing. I've been able to secure doors, well, a supplier for the stacker doors at the back of the house. Keeping those in budget's been challenging, but we've got them coming from Maitland and they're reasonably priced, brand new. And so that's all organised. So this week, it's just really getting the builders set up and operating. And I was planning to go up last week and we decided to hold off to see what happened in terms of the lockdown. But that situation hasn't really improved. So we'll be going up this Friday just to really get a look, and hopefully the builder will have started by then. And so the other thing is choosing external colours. We need to get that done. I really like to get that done up front if I can so that it doesn't hold up proceedings. But we've been doing a bit of brainstorming, had a few comments amongst the group in the class project WhatsApp thread. And so there's going to be a bit of toing and froing over Pinterest this week, but we will have the decision made by the end of the week because it's draining our energy. So I've got some good news. They are still waiting on the steel, but I got the doors sorted.
Oh, excellent.
The ones at the back door. I'm just going to show you what I found. Okay, so this is the company and they're stacker doors.
Yep.
And they will, stacker doors, and they'll do 4 metre doors for $2,990.
Are they going to be white? Is that?
Yes.
Yep. Okay.
And they're also going to deliver them for $200. So that's sorted out. One problem.
So they're 4 metres wide.
Yeah. Now I want to show you what I decided to do on the plan, because if I went full width, then I'm going to have to go and get custom, and we're talking 6,000 or 7,000.
Mm-hmm.
And so I decided to modify the plan to work with the budget. So that's 5 metres one. So what we decided to do is to have a metre so that you could put a piece of artwork on the wall, and when you walked in, you could look down the corridor and you would be looking at the artwork and you would not be looking through the window. And the reason for that, a few reasons, but one of them is it's really bad feng shui. So I feel like that's a good compromise. And so they will, I'll have to figure out which way they're best to stack.
Would you stack towards the garage side?
Maybe, because we've got the wall on the laundry side. Actually, that would make sense. So you'd have that open in the middle.
Yeah.
I'm
just thinking because we've got stacker doors and we've got them opening towards the outside wall.
Oh, the other thing is, I'll show you this. I found these tiles.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
What's it, like a terrazzo for the tile?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it looks really good.
Where for?
The bathroom floors.
Nice.
Yeah.
So they're a 300 by 300.
That's a pretty good price, isn't it? 45?
It is, yeah.
Is that per tile though, isn't it?
Is it genuine terrazzo or is it printed?
No, it's porcelain. But I figure if it's good enough for them to use in the block.
Yeah.
They used it in that horrible brown bathroom. Beautiful tile, terrible bathroom.
Was it 45 per tile?
No, it's per metre.
Per metre.
And that's it.